guys, are you ready to hit the track?
Yes, coach. Coach, is there any last minute tips?
Yes, did you make sure to warm up?
Yes, coach.
Stay hydrated and be ready for the track.
Okay,
Yes, go.
Thank you. Thank you.
Boo, no! Why did you stop? Tell them to continue the game. I betted 100 pesos. Yeah! You should shut up!
Hey, loser! What's with winning if my friend is in pain? This is just a race. What's important, right?
Yes, we agree.
You're right.
Yes. Bro, are you okay, bro? We need water and help.
Spectators, but we also have our part. We shouldn't degrade an act of sportsmanship because that's what sports is all about: teamwork and sportsmanship. We shouldn't boo them because they do sportsmanship. Instead, we should support and motivate the players and encourage sportsmanship more. Yes, we agree. Yes. Mind the scene.
What's important, really?
Ay, i-mute ro na yung
Pag yun sa go, on someone.
Is there any last minute tips? Sige na, dapat ito.
Boo!